Welcome to Twinmotor Reviews, the channel where future cars come alive before they even hit the streets. Today we're bringing you a Diwali special unlike anything you've seen on YouTube, a glimpse into 8 stunning, upcoming 7-seater machines that are about to set Indian roads, and your imagination, on fire. These are not just cars. They're moving palaces, they're private jets on wheels, and they're arriving just in time for the Festival of Lights. Picture this: Diwali night, city streets glowing with diyas, gold lights reflecting off polished paint, and out of the silence glides a machine so futuristic it stops conversations. Big, bold, and dripping with technology. This is the new era of family travel, and these 8 upcoming 7-seaters are leading the charge. The first jaw-dropper on our list is Toyota's next General Innova Hi-Cross 2025. Forget everything you knew about MPVs, this one is pure business class. A bold chrome front, ultra-slim DRLs, hybrid power that's smoother than silk, and an interior with captain seats that feel like recliners in a private lounge. The new Hi-Cross is built for families who want space, power, and presence, all at once. Next, the Hyundai Palisade. Think of it as a luxury cruise ship, but on Indian roads. Giant grille, muscular fenders, and a cabin dripping with soft touch materials. A panoramic roof, 12.3-inch displays, and level 2 ADAS safety. When you pull up to a Diwali party in this, people won't just look. They'll stare. Then comes the future itself, the Mahindra XUV E9. An electric 7-seater SUV with coupe-like styling and spaceship-grade tech. Dual digital screens, semi-autonomous driving, and a range that breaks the barrier for Indian EVs. This Diwali, Mahindra wants to prove that electric can be powerful, stylish, and family-friendly. From South Korea's premium stable comes the Kia EV9. Already a global hit, this SUV is a revolution. Huge road presence, swiveling second-row lounge seats, ultra-fast charging, and an interior designed like a concept car. It's bold, it's new, and it's unlike anything on the road right now. If you want retro charm with modern luxury, feast your eyes on the Volkswagen ID Buzz long wheelbase. It's the rebirth of the legendary VW bus, now electric, premium, and playful. Massive windows, configurable interiors, and sustainable materials make it a 7-seater that's as cool as it is practical. For the adventurers who want rugged and refined at once, Nissan's X-Trail Hybrid 7-seater is set to arrive with e-power technology and Propulot Assist. It's the SUV for families who love road trips and weekend getaways but still demand luxury at every stop. The homegrown icon is evolving too. Tata's Safari EV will carry the Safari name into the electric era with bold styling, a new signature grille, improved range, and plush interiors that make long journeys an event rather than a chore. And closing our Diwali list is the mighty MG Gloster facelift, bigger, bolder, and more premium than ever before. With its commanding road presence, refined diesel engine, and upgraded ADAS, the Gloster is built for those who want to make a statement wherever they go. Each of these machines tells a story of luxury for families, of technology for tomorrow, of sustainability for the planet. They're more than just cars, they're lifestyles on wheels. And this Diwali, they're about to redefine what a 7-seater can be. At Twinmotor Reviews, we're not just reporting cars, we're showing you the future before it arrives. From test drives to hidden features, from first looks to deep dives, we'll cover every inch of these machines as they launch. So, if you want to be ahead of the crowd, if you want to be the first to know which 7-seater is truly worth your money, this is where you belong. This Diwali, as the sky fills with fireworks and your homes glow with lights, prepare to see something even brighter on the roads, the next generation of 7-seater luxury. Subscribe now, hit that bell, and join us as we explore the most exciting automotive festival of the year. The future of family travel is here, and you're looking at it first on Twinmotor Reviews.